Founded in 2008, Tianjin GTS Testing Equipment Technology Development Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise, integrating design, development, manufacturing, and sales of various pressure, temperature, and flow testing machines, automated production lines, and automatic control software systems. Product main coverage involves cars, construction machinery, coal, petroleum, aviation, and aerospace. Shipbuilding heavy industries is essential. The company's flagship products include impulse fatigue test stand, burst test stand, thermal impact test stand, thermal cycle test stand, inner erosive test stand, vacuum test stand, airtight test stand, pressure test stand, as well as other exclusive non-standard test equipment is essential. The company, on its own R&D, has obtained more than 30 inventions and utility model patents, as well as CE, CSA, and UL certificates for its products. Participation in the revision of ISO international standards and technology exchanges at professional forums domestic and abroad make the company master the most cutting-edge technologies and industry trend. The products are exported to Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia. GTS has a professional design and R&D team, a leading technology in production and assembly, and a perfect after-sales service system. We are confident and ready for a one-stop solution worldwide.